Welcome to the Budget Kitchen with Barb, and I am Barb. Today we are making a broccoli cheese soup, and I have to prepare my carrots because I like some color in there. I mean, I know the broccoli is green, but I like carrots in mine, okay? So I couldn't decide, what am I going to do? Do I want to use my dicer? Because look at those tiny, yeah. That would be nice and easy. So you could use your dicer if you want and dice those into little tiny dices. But I thought I would go ahead and just use my shredder and shred my carrots. Okay, the first thing I want to do, oh, I got this backwards. Well, at least for me, because I am right-handed. Okay, I'm locking in my, there it is. Okay. And then I am just gonna see how this works. Watch your fingers. And just go ahead and dice those carrots. And we do have this. These are 3 carrots, by the way, that I cut in half. I washed, scrubbed them with my little scrubber. I just love this thing. It just does so much. Can you tell me what's your favorite helper tool in your kitchen? Because I completely stand by my shredder and my dicer. Those have helped me so much. Okay, and there, oh no, I'm always an accident in my kitchen. Okay, so that was 3 carrots, 3 fresh carrots. Now, another option is you could go ahead and go to the store and buy shredded carrots. You could do that, okay? I chose this way because buying a bag of carrots was cheaper than buying them already shredded. Okay, friends? If you don't have one of these gadgets, and if you are interested, they're listed in the link below. But, the ones who have these, this is our big helpers in our kitchen. Okay, we'll be right back because I have more to do. Okay, now let's chop up 2 bags of broccoli florets. Okay, I've got my 2 bags of broccoli and 3 carrots. We're going to have 1 pack of cream cheese. And then we're going to get out that minced garlic. We're going to go and get 1 tablespoon out. Okay, and then just let's hit it with some onion powder today. I love onion powder. Okay, then I have some, let me get this opened. If I had some vegetable broth, I would use that. But I'm always saying we got to just make it make. So I'm going to go in with some chicken broth. All right, so what is your favorite seasoning? I'm wondering, is there any seasonings out there that I don't know about, that are other people's favorites? That is what I'm wondering. Yeah, I wonder about some crazy stuff sometime. And that's just one of them. Okay, and that is good. Okay, so I am going to put the lid on it. I've got mine on high, and I'm going to cook that for 3 to 4 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. Okay, friends, we have another step. And that's to get the cheese in there. You could use any cheese that you like. Sharp cheddar would be fabulous with this. I am just using cheddar, okay? And another one. I like to buy the blocks of cheese and just shred it with my shredder. That shredder's a lifesaver sometimes. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm just going to let this sit for a little bit and let the cheese melt. And we are done. Just want to show you what it looks like. It's nice and creamy. Okay, I did make a bowl. It's still hot. I thought I would just get a bowl out a little bit early to get it cooled down. But look at that. It's nice and creamy. Cheesy. Oh, so much broccoli. I like those chunks of broccoli. And you can put anything inside of this. I had got called away for a second, and what I wanted to do with this was make some croutons because I have some bread that's going to go bad. I was gonna like chop it up and put garlic and onion powder on it and a little salt and pepper and then just sprinkle that on here, but I wasn't able to. But you can do anything you want. You can even put different vegetables in here, like add some celery. Have it with garlic toast. I think that would be delicious. Okay, I'm going to take a bite now. That just melted in my mouth. That is good. Okay, I didn't add any salt or pepper to this, but you can if you would like. In fact, I think that I will probably just add salt to my bowl alone. That's usually how I do things. But hey, this is really, really good. And it's chilly here in Iowa, so this is a good soup day. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more budget-friendly meals, please subscribe. But no matter, friends, just keep cooking. I love you all.